Hey there guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we got a GTD and we're installing the rear spoiler on. Come. Cameraman, come, hurry up. Cameraman. Yeah, so today we're going to be installing the rear spoiler up here. It's going to give it a bit more of a sporty look, what the owner of the car is looking for. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to clean the spoiler, and because my cousins, they're dirty tramps, yeah, they don't have to look after their car. So if you look at this dirty,
how about you shut your mouth?
no, chill. So we just have to spray a lot there.
Oh, you said you was gonna pay for this car wash.
Spray a lot there. Yeah, I'll do that. That's minor. But like this is like poo, and guys are making me clean this.
So what are you using to clean it? First of all, you didn't tell the audience.
So they told me to use elbow grease, which I don't. So I don't know why they're using elbow grease, but come, let's try. Yo, Loki, I think we need some garam pani.
Oh, shut your mouth. Is it?
Yeah, cause like.
Mate, we're recording here. Don't intervene.
Yeah, stupid idiots. Stay on the sideline.
Oh, yeah, you're bad.
So what's happened is we were meant to do the spoiler, but now the owner's asking me to clean the tetty off his window. Like he thinks I'm a cleaner or something. Alright, let's just do it for him, because like...
Shut up, man. The foam's inside, everything's inside.
Yo, but low key, this is making your... Okay, so we've cleaned the boot lip, and now what we're doing is we're just cleaning off the spoiler at the bottom, because as you can see, it's got a bit of residue on here from the old tape. So we're just going to give this a bit of a wipe down. Get this part off, so there's two clean surfaces which the tape attaches to, and the tape won't come off that way. So let's give this a clean and we'll be right back. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the 3M tape now. We're going to put it on the bottom of the splitter like this. So this part's going to hang off here, so we want to bring it across here. Oh, there's a curvature. You don't want to be having any air bubbles in here. Oh shit. Yo, why is this so tense? So now what we're doing is we're just getting a clean, even, no air bubbles in here. Okay, there's bare air bubbles, but still. Bring the double-sided tape up to this dot here. And we're just going to keep bringing this along smoothly. This is just a smooth one.
Currently, blooper guys. Well, mechanic has ruined the first set of adhesive tape. So he's currently on the second.
And this is the last piece of tape we have. So yeah, best work. So what happened is we ran out of tape. So we had to come Wicks real fast, and we had to get the tape. Show them the tape, show them the tape. Show them the sand. We had to get the sandpaper as well, because we need to do stuff at home. So now we got two good secured. Now it's time to go and install the splitter. Let's go.
Splitter or spoiler?
Spoiler. Splitter. Show them the splitter. The splitter is already installed. They're sexy though. So the goods are secured, and now we're gonna... Yeah, the mic's on. The mic is on. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is just bring this piece of tape, just connect it. We have to make sure it connects. Look, get that in there. Make sure it's connecting. Yeah, that's a sagzy. And now what we're gonna do is just bring it along until this dot here. Now we just have to snip off the end. These scissors are bare dead. Like... Okay, now what we want to do is we want to check the fitment up against the car. So this is going to come like... Going to come like this, and it's going to stick on there, and then we need to hold it down. So now it is time for the final stick. So what we're doing now is we're just going to peel off the tape. So now we're going to get this double-sided bit off. So now we're going to get the double-sided bit off. We don't litter. Okay, so we made a bit of a mistake. We've peeled it all off. So now what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to get the alignment perfect the first time. So now I think it's good on that side. I think it's good on this side. Let's just go for the final stick. Come, quickly check, quickly check. So we got the final alignment perfect. So now what we're gonna chill, bro. Okay, so we got the final alignment perfect. So now what we're doing is, because this part keeps coming back up from the front, we're getting double-sided tape right at the front and just putting it in there and pushing it down until it sticks. So we're gonna do this and show you the final results. So basically what we're doing right now is we're just pushing in the glue, the double-sided tape to make sure the spoiler sticks and doesn't come off. And while we're doing that, we're just having a bit of a gup shop. So now what we're gonna do is give the spoiler a nice little clean so the owner can be happy with my work. Even though it's my cousin, so he has to deal with it. Oi, chill. Okay, so now what we're doing is we're just cleaning the spoiler so that the customer is really happy with it. And then at the end, we're going to ask him, are you happy with my work? And then we're going to see what he says.
How much are you paying you?
How much is he paying me?
Free.
It's free.
Oh, shit.
Family doesn't pay.
Oh, what?
I lie?
That's
I lie?
a good
That's a
mechanic.
good mechanic.
Okay, so because we love to give our customers extra service, he's got poo over here as well. So we're just going to give that a bit of a wipe down as well, just because. This is hard to tea. Like, I don't know who's been shitting on this,
Bro,
but
pigeons are
these
getting brave.
they're getting crazy. He just told you shut up, cameraman. How are you having that?
Listen, he's fat.
You're wearing a pink shirt.
So he also had tetty on his door handle. If you didn't know, tetty is poo, bird poo. So we're just cleaning that off as well. Did you know? Do you want to know a good fact? Did you know pigeons are the rats of the sky?
Oh, this guy chat there. Oh, no.
So I just ordered like
Yeah, he just ordered like 4 spots to get cleaned and you're not even saying anything. So the customer just wanted the poo to get cleaned off his bonnet as well. So the car is now complete. We got a happy customer as always. And if you come across to the back, you can see that the spoiler is done as well. So the spoiler is now done. Let's just ask the customer. Customer, how do you think the spoiler got put on?
bare dead. No, I'm joking. Good job, man.
Thank you. Here, come. Do you want to get a close up of the spoiler? And then just get a little spare good in it. Did a solid job. So anyways, that's the video done. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, go follow the TikTok, go follow the Insta, and catch you in the next one. Peace.